Hey, so I'm sitting here making girders. So pick out some nice straight ones. Or in one of these cases here, I found, oh, the guy's hammering next door here. I found two that were sort of curved, warped. You know, like every now and then these are warped. It's pretty hard to have a warped girder if you're making it out of wood. You know what I mean? Like one that's been. Oh, now I can't find a stupid bent one. Okay, well, to show you, it wasn't straight, hey, it was bent, kind of curved off this way, eh? And so anyways, I found two of those, and so now I've got sort of a bent girder too, which is kind of cool. So this is how I've been doing it. The guy could probably make a jig, but you know, you always run the danger of gluing your piece into your jig, okay? So I've been putting glue on both sides. Stick it on the middle of the one. Stick it on the middle of the one. Okay, close enough. Oh, put this one on top. Then to keep it sort of lined in the middle, I've either been using a thin 1/8 bamboo skewer. They come in packages of hundreds, and the 1/4 inch ones come in packages of 50. So if there's only 50 in the package, those are probably the thick ones, and they're kind of hard to find actually, you know. And then the other ones, the hundreds, are about 1/8 of an inch. Eh? They're fairly easy to find. Either that or, you know, 1/8 inch wooden dowel or something. Okay. And then that'll, at least with these coffee stir sticks, we'll keep that other middle one pretty close to the middle of the other board. And then you gotta wedge it straight using something. I've got a big metal anvil. Well, actually it's a piece of railroad track that I'm using. But this is not working. I need something heavy. Adapt. Improvise. Overcome. These are sequin pins. So, actually, got one here that's pretty close to being dried. So, you just want it until the glue tacks, right? And then put it somewhere where it's kind of safe and not going to be touched until it's fully dried. So let's slide this one right up against this anvil piece. Use this package on this side. That'll work. This piece over here needs pegged. A tack hammer. That's what these are with the little things. So people like me with big thumbs, you can hold your tiny little pin and hit down between your fingers, kinda. That's what those are. They're really handy. I got this one at a dollar store too. I only paid, well, $1 for it. Excellent. Yeah. Actually, I'll just do that on the other side here too. My fingers are so big though, it's kind of hard to do. Where the heck are some needle nose? Oh, hey, these are handy ones too. See how they're, whoops, see how they're curved on the end? That's for making like rings and stuff. So that some of these This is a stupid magpie that's been stealing my toys. There he is. See, you can see his tail. There he is. Bugger. So he's been flying into the carport on me.
And I'm not too sure what the heck he's after right now. There you go, bugger. So he sits up there and he watches me. God, spooks. And he flies. Oh, he's being bad. He's being bad. He's stealing stuff from me. Bad bird.